If you need to connect ActiveCampaign with another app or service, you'll often need your ActiveCampaign API URL and API key. In this video, I'll show you where to find them step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. Next, select Developer from the Account Settings menu. On the Developer page, look for the API Access section. Here, you'll find two important pieces of information, your API URL and your API key. Click Copy next to each one and use these credentials when connecting ActiveCampaign to a supported third-party app. But remember, your API key is sensitive information. Treat it like a password and never share it publicly or expose it in client-side code. If you believe your API key has been compromised, return to the developer settings and use the option to reset your API key. This will invalidate the old key. And that's how to find your ActiveCampaign API key and API URL. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.